dum bum bum de bum de bo. Got scoots got ski dum de bo. Skilly doo da bum de bum de bum. Reap up what eat it to game to be. Hiya, Wimpy.
Ah, my good friend Popeye. This is a most providential encounter. I was about to dine at Rough House's, but I seem to have forgotten my purse in my tuxedo.
Wimpy, you're a moocher, and you're not getting any more handouts from me.
Oh, very well. I shall just have to suffer with my pangs of hunger. Aha! An edible object. You shall taste delicious fried, or perhaps roasted.
Oh, you can't eat me. I'm the magical Wiffle bird.
I'm sorry, but I'm as hungry as a wolf.
As hungry as a wolf, huh? Well, I cast a spell on you. Whenever you say hamburger, you shall change into a wolf.
Oh, dear. A spell? I wonder if it really works. Testing. Hamburger.
Roughhouse, I'm sorry now that I toned Wimpy down when he was asking me for a...
Newsflash! Incredible as this may sound, a werewolf is loose in the city. A werewolf, in case you didn't know, is a man turned into a wolf.
Well, blow me down. And I always thought that this only happened in them horror moving pictures.
Just to play safe, Popeye, I better lock the door. No sense taking any chances.
Let me in, or by the hair of my chinny chin, I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your diner in. Scram, beats it, werewolf. This is a brick diner, and you can't blows it down.
Look, Popeye, that werewolf is all tuckered out and going away.
Yeah, he blowed so hard, he's exasperated. Now's the time to catches him. Oh, he left feet prints. It'll be a cinch that follows him now, huh? Oh, that's funny. Now they looks like human feet prints. Well, blow me down. Wimpy! Wimpy, you better runs home and hides. There's a terrible werewolf on the prowl.
Popeye, you wouldn't believe this, but I'm the werewolf.
You?
Yes, the Wiffle bird cast a spell on me because I tried to eat her.
Now, how could she do that?
Well, she said I would turn into a wolf every time I said hamburger.
Oh, my gosh. I'm going to tear you to pieces and chew you up. But, Wimpy, I'm your friend Popeye. Gangway! No, take it easy, Wimpy. Calms down. Oh, boy, just made it.
How about some hamburgers, Mr. Werewolf?
Oh, I'm sorry, Popeye.
That savage critter left the hamburger.
A hamburger?
Ahoy there, Whiffleboy. Please uncast your spell over Wimpy. He's been punished enough. Oh, I'm sorry, but he'll have to hold still for me to do it. Well, I'll fix that. I break the spell and then Wimpy can be himself again. The spell is broken, Wimpy.
In that case, Popeye, I wonder if you could trust me till Tuesday for the price of a...
Wait a minute. We can't take no chances. I'll says it for you, pal. A hamburger? Why, sure.